Hello, welcome to this physics video. In today's video, I'm going to do over here mind mapping. So this mind mapping of chapter 2, which is of units and measurement, that will help you to quick revise the chapter. Okay, so let us to start over here that we are having it is units and measurements. So in it, first we discuss that is regarding to the unit. There we said that there is something international accepted standard with which we are doing the comparison. Okay, so in it we said that there are the different types of unit which we are using. So that we are using for the fundamental physical quantity, units of the fundamental physical quantity, and thereafter those which are going to depend on fundamental, so it is derived physical quantity, so their unit, and there is supplementary and those fundamental those quantities as well, so there are units we also come to know. In it that we also come to know the various that set of system which is used by us. So it is system of units, that it is CGS, smallest this system of unit. FPS is their foot pound second, MKS meter, kilogram second, and SI, this is international standard. So over here we are prepping over there this SI. So it is also said to be the rational system, because in MKS there were only the three, and that was length, mass, and time, while in this SI there are um, that units of the derived as well as for this fundamental. Okay, so this was that mainly discussion in this chapter which was regarding to the unit. And then we have done over there measurement. So measurement is what? Measurement was there that comparison of known with the unknown. Okay, so therefore while we are doing the measurement, so at that time we were using the apparatuses. So which apparatus will have more accuracy, which will give us error. Okay, so in that situation we come to know that accuracy means that closeness of our answer to that actual answer, and precision is meaning with that how much is the list count of this apparatus which we are using. Okay, so that was regarding to our measurement. Now in measurement we also come to know over here that while we are performing any measurement, so we can't measure any unknown term accurately, so there is a chances of error. So thus we come to know over here types of error. So there were that of absolute error, relative error, and percentage error. Even though that error we have discussed in it, they were that of this random error was there, and systematic error was there, and there is list count error in that case which we have discussed. And this random error, that we can remove it by taking the mean value, while it is going to exist in any, means it could be positive or negative, while systematic, that was only in a particular direction, either it is positive or either it is negative. So over here we also come to know that when we are having the error in the two physical quantities, and thereafter we are going to multiply, we are going to add them, or we are going to subtract them. Either we are going to multiply or divide them, or either we are taking their power. So at that time what will happen, and their error will combine. Okay, so therefore there we discuss about of this combination of error. And there also we come to know about of this dimensional analysis. Okay, so there we said that which fundamental, how much is the power of this fundamental is used for making that given physical quantity, so that was said to be the dimension. So over here with the help of dimension we were able to check the correctness of the given physical relation, means that principle of homogeneity we have used in this case. In second, that we were using this dimensional analysis to derive the physical relation, means some of the formulas that we have derived. So there we come to know we must given over there that the physical quantities on which the term was going to depend, and thus we can use the homogeneity principle in it as well, and thus we derived the physical relation. Next is there that it is to convert from one system to another system. So that with the help of dimensional analysis you can change the one system of unit into another system of a unit. So we did over there some of the questions regarding to it. And while we are doing to over there measurements, so we come to know that in our measurement there are the certain digit plus there is one doubtful digit. Okay, so therefore we said that whenever we are doing our measurement, so it should have only one doubtful digit. Okay, so therefore certain plus one doubtful, it is said to be significant figure. So in this we come to know about of the rules that when this zero will become that significant, otherwise non-zeros are significant only, and there is the demand to learn about when zeros will become significant. Okay, so these rules we come to know over here regarding to the significant figure, and thus while we are going to add or subtract the numbers, so at that time what will be the number of significant in the final answer, and similarly over there during multiplication or division, how many or significant digit will come in its final answer. Okay, so this was our discussion in this very first chapter. Okay, so you can break up this one, and you can cover the whole chapter through this method. Okay, if you want to get the screenshot, so you can take the screenshot of this one. So half of the part is now I have kept it. Now there is little more. Okay, so this you can adjust over there. And remember over there combination of error, in which condition the error will be maximum. So it will be in the case of power. Okay, so this was related to this chapter number 2. So thank you for watching the video.